everybody, I'm INNISFREE, and today we have a very special indie friends. So let's welcome Dolly Dalilah.
Hi friends, excited to be here today. My name is Dolly Dalilah. I usually do makeup and beauty content, and again I'm so very excited to be here with Pore for the first time and also you guys.
So today we are going to show 4 INNISFREE must-haves for a glass skin look. There are 2 main factors for a glass skin look, and it is a smooth, flawless skin tone and plenty of glow.
So very nervous because I never done this before.
The first item is here already.
I think it's a primer. Like I feel like you need a very good base for glass skin look.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Is it? Let me see. Oh, okay, I'm not wrong. It's a brightening pore priming cream. So it's primer.
This is a daily moisturizer which can act as your primer. You apply before your foundation. Apply on your pores first, and then you blend it all over your face. This cream has a pore blurring ingredient, so it blurs out your pore, and high moisturizing ingredients also. So it's very good to create that glass skin look. So this is best paired with a brightening pore serum. So if you use this together, then your skin tone will be improved and your pores will be smaller.
My favorite products from INNISFREE is their green tea seed serum. I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm very excited.
Let's check out the cream first. You can smell.
It smells like orange.
Yeah.
I don't know. Smell it again.
It's actually made of Jeju halabong.
What is halabong?
Halabong is actually a tangerine. So
yeah, I know what tangerine is,
yes.
but is it like a Korean word?
Halabong is hala is actually a mountain, bong is actually a peak. So this tangerine actually looks like a peak of the mountain hala. So we call it halabong. So we need to apply the serum first.
Okay.
So 1 pump on it. You're supposed to warm up the serum first.
Oh, see.
So helpful, easy absorption.
So you should warm this up too.
Okay. Put it on your
Pores
first.
So the first is primer. So I'm guessing this is a foundation.
1, 2, 3.
A Mentos.
It's a
what is it?
setting powder.
Oh yeah.
No-Sebum powder.
No-Sebum powder. So setting powder. I've been seeing this trend that you're supposed to set your face first so that your makeup lasts longer and looks better. Oh my god, this smells amazing.
This smells just like the Mentos, right?
Yeah.
So we want to keep the top layer as glossy as possible.
I usually use this to around my T-zone area because this really helps to like absorb all the oil. Take out the product, you shake it?
I know. I put the puff on top.
Okay.
And then I do this.
Oh, I see. That's the right technique. I always like mess up my
so the product gets on the puff.
Okay, cool. Just enough all over your face.
You apply on the T-zone first. Oh, because that's when the product is banyak lagi. So you boleh apply dekat T-zone first. And then the leftover you can just put on your dry.
So you usually just use like 1 pump for your whole face?
Yes, it's just one.
Yeah,
this smells so good, guys. Rugi kau tak?
Yeah, and I recommend you guys get the peach one. Smells amazing. Is it a concealer? Like a liquid highlighter?
Ta-da!
Oh, it's a foundation.
It's a foundation.
Okay. Alright.
Have you ever used a foundation that is like glowy but at the same time provides you enough coverage for your skin? 3 indicates the moisture level of the foundation, and the number 4 indicates the coverage, level of coverage we have.
I really love like a foundation like the higher the coverage the better, because I have lots of things that I need to hide. So okay, so with this foundation I don't think I need the glowy highlighter or whatever underneath.
This is gonna give you that dewy, that translucent skin look, so your skin looks healthy.
Yeah, I'm excited.
How do you usually find your shade?
See, I have quite a tan skin. I would choose the darkest shade of foundation, and then I'll pick out lighter foundation shade after that, and I'll just like apply those 2 shades on my jawline, and then I wait it set a little bit to see the real color, and then I blend it, and then I'll see if there's a difference with my skin tone. Okay, so I saw some people, they like to swatch their foundation shade on their arm, but what do you think?
Okay, so it's actually not recommended to swatch your foundation shade on your arm because your skin tone on your arms is different from your face. So for INNISFREEs out there, if you already have a my concealer, so it's not going to be a fuss for you to choose a foundation shade because it's going to be the same shade.
Oh, okay, that's cool. That's really easy.
Yes.
Tools.
Applicator.
Yeah, it's not
tools
even a
for your
makeup.
foundation. This one is a smart blender.
Oh,
so it
so
comes
cool.
in a few sizes. This is actually a new applicator we introduced this month. So this is a diamond sponges. You can use this wet or as it is to apply your foundation.
I first would always go with brush, like foundation brush, because I feel like when I use brush, I get the most coverage, and then I will go with something like this to just like blend my foundation out.
Recommend our INNI friends who have dry skin to use smart blenders or diamond sponges because it doesn't strip your dry skin. If you want that glowy look, then you can wet them first. So if you have like a combination to oily skin, you don't want to stamp the like foundation on your skin too much, so you can use the brush to get like as much as coverage as possible. If you use a brush, don't drag it around and then just take it slow to apply your foundation.
Like just tap it instead of like drag it.
So my mantra for applying foundation is slow and steady wins the face.
Hey, so cute. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with one palm first and see how this looks on my skin.
So now I'm gonna wet my diamond sponge first with the green tea mist.
I feel like this smells like green tea, no?
Yeah, right? It smells like green tea. It actually has green tea seed oil in it.
No wonder. And I don't know if you can tell, but you don't see my scars anymore.
Yeah.
And I love that. And low key looks glowy, like especially here. I like it.
Here's the finished look with the glass skin makeup. How would you rate the foundation?
I love the coverage. I feel like I've said that too many times. And I love the finish. It gives me a very nice glow.
Yeah, you look very glowy.
And your skin looks so glowy too. So this could be my new foundation to get this like glass skin. Yeah. First tip and most important tips I feel like is lighting, especially if you can get a golden hour lighting, please do that. It's very cute. And the second tip is angle. Know your angle, know your best feature. Okay, so my third tips is if you're taking a makeup selfie, especially put more products so that the camera can pick up the pigment and everything. So yeah.
I hope you find this video helpful and enjoyable, and if you love these tips as much as we do, please don't be shy and come on over to our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button.
And I just want to say thank you so much for having me today, and also INNISFREE. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. But then don't be shy, click it.
Click it.
Clicking.
It's right there. It's right there. Click it, guys. Click it.
Click this.
Oh my
Don't be shy.
god. Come on, guys. Click it.
It's so easy to click.
Click. Okay, click it. Not yet. Click it. Click it.
Now.
Now it's your
We
time.
need you to click. We have more videos for you, please.
Yeah. Just click it. It's right there.
Love it.
Click.
Come on.